Nina, Nina, Nina. Woo, 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 woo. Hi guys. On request, I'm going to do a review of Autonomy of a True Crime. Evil psychotic YouTuber tries to kill his ex-partner and child. Interesting to see what the criteria for psychotic is. Let's see. Here she is living in a man-made house. She has man-made securities. She has a lock. She has windows. In nature she would have none of that. At most in nature what she would have is just a little hut, and anybody could go in and do whatever they want whenever they want. That's how it is in nature. Here he has hired these people to do this act. I get it, he doesn't want to be breaking the law, and so for committing a crime in nature, there are no crimes. You just do what you want. In nature, he would just do this act himself like a real man would do. That is how it is in nature. Here he has got these gullible stooges to carry out this so-called crime against his ex-partner. But in nature, he would be doing it like a real man, because he doesn't want to go to a man-made prison. How does that make him psychotic? He has got these people to throw acid in his ex-partner's face. He's hired them to do this so-called crime. In nature, you would just find the acid yourself. You find a pool of acid, and then you get a bucket. Buckets occur everywhere naturally in nature. You fill the bucket up with acid, then you go up to her and throw the acid in her face. That's what you do in nature. Then you kill the child. By doing that, she can no longer mate with any other partner because her face is permanently scarred, and she has no child left because you killed the child, and therefore she would have to get back with her ex-partner who she split up with, who she abandoned, and is left emotionally turmoiled. That's how it is in nature. It's totally normal. This is all totally normal things to be doing in nature. In nature, you always get a mate, have a child with the mate, and then go into an emotionally abusive trauma bond with the mate, and then after she runs off, you then would get acid and a bucket and throw it in her face and then kill the child. That's what every animal does in nature. This is totally normal. What was that? Okay, I got to go. In summary, there's nothing weird here or psychotic, so to speak. This is all totally normal behavior. This is how animals do it in the wild. That's why I'm living out here in nature like a fugitive from the law. Because in nature there are no laws and you just do what you want. These are all perfectly normal things to be doing. It's perfectly normal to be obsessed with your first mate that you had in life and had a child with, and have developed this emotional trauma bond that's as strong as the bond you had with your mom. And now you are obsessively, compulsively trying to scar her for life. That's totally normal. What is psychotic about that? Thanks for watching, guys. Gotta go. Wee woo 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 woo. No, not going to man-made prison.